Relieve arthritis in your hands with these 6 natural remedies. Arthritis is an inflammatory disorder produced when cartilage, which is what connects one bone with another, wears down. This condition happens most of the time due to the aging process, but can also happen due to nutritional deficiencies, injury, and a sedentary lifestyle. While it can develop in any joint of the body, the hands are some of the most affected by arthritis. That's because they are continuously moving, and over the course of a person's life, they do a lot of work and break down. People affected by this problem have trouble doing many everyday activities, as they become very painful and interfere with mobility. However, many people manage to live with it, and many natural remedies can help reduce the severity of the symptoms. Below we'll share with you 6 interesting options you can keep in mind as a complement to medical treatment for arthritis. Find out what they are. Castor oil. Castor oil has the ability to reduce pain and inflammation caused by arthritis. It contains a substance known as ricinoleic acid, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and pain reliever when it comes to problems like this. What do I need? 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 30 grams. How do I use it? Heat a few tablespoons of castor oil, and once it reaches a temperature safe for your skin, smooth it over your hands. Repeat twice a day, every day. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain fatty acids and essential amino acids that act as anti-inflammatories. These properties mean it can help with pain from arthritis of the hands while helping to prevent fluid retention. They also contain antioxidants which help eliminate waste that your body doesn't need, as it supports lymphatic functions in your body. Ingredients. One teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 5 grams, 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. How do I use them? Soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water and let it sit overnight. The next morning, strain and consume the seeds. Repeat the treatment for at least 2 months. Epsom salts. Epsom salts have the ability to reduce inflammation and stiffness, making them a great option for arthritis. Topical application relaxes your muscles and joints, helping reduce pain. Ingredients. One cup of Epsom salts, 200 grams, hot water, as needed. How do I use it? Add the cup of Epsom salts to a container with hot water and soak your hands for 20 minutes. Repeat the treatment at least 3 times a week. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains organic acids that help regulate blood pH, stimulating balance in your body's inflammatory processes. The active substances in it, such as acetic acid, reduces pain in the hands and stimulates your circulation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 ml, 1 cup of water, 200 ml. How do I use it? Dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water and drink on an empty stomach, without any other food. Optionally, you could add the vinegar to a container with hot water and soak your hands for 20 minutes. Use every day. Celery. Celery has diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties that prevent and treat pain associated with arthritis. This vegetable, which is also a standout when it comes to antioxidant content, fights fluid retention and helps keep your electrolytes balanced. How do I use it? Make celery tea and have 2 or 3 times a day. Do the treatment for 2 weeks, take 1 week off, and restart. Ginger oil. Ginger oil is a therapeutic ingredient with pain-relieving properties that help relieve pain caused by arthritis of the hands. Its application produces a pleasant warming sensation, which improves your circulation and helps relieve stiffness and inflammation. How do I use it? Take a small amount of ginger oil and rub into your hands for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to stimulate the warming sensation for best results. Use every day, up to twice a day. Keep in mind that the remedies above are a complement for treatment of arthritis of the hands. They should be used along with healthy habits and treatment prescribed by a doctor.